Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners and viewers. I hope you are all well. Azizul Haq Memorial Degree College, Malancha Kahalu, Bogoda. This is an image of our college, partly image of our college. Welcome to my English class. Today's content is use of connectors or linkers. And the presentation is designed for classes 11, 12, HSC PM, class 9, 10, Alim and Dakhil. Note: all conjunctions are connectors, but all connectors are not conjunctions. I repeat, all conjunctions are connectors, but all connectors are not conjunctions. What's a conjunction? A conjunction is a word used to join more than one words, phrases, and clauses together. Example: Rohim and Karim are friends. Here, and joins two words, Rohim and Karim. The student studied well and succeeded in the exam. Here, and joined two clauses. One is the student studied well, another succeeded in the examination. Example number C. Since I was ill, I couldn't go to college. Here, since joins two clauses. So, the red colored words are conjunctions. What's a connector or linker? A connector or linker is a word used not only to join more than one words, phrases, and clauses together, but also to maintain sequence with previous sentences. Examples: Rohim is poor but honest. Here, but is a conjunction joining two clauses. Example number B. I was ill, so I couldn't go to college. Here we find two different sentences. I was ill and another, so I could not go to college. Here, so maintains sequence with the previous sentences. It's not a conjunction, but it's an adverb. But it maintains relationship between two sentences. So it's a linker. Connectors or linkers. All kinds of conjunctions, such as and but or nor if though although since when because after before etc. Some adverbs so therefore thus. Some adverbial phrases. That's why for this as a result. Some prepositions to or but like in with without etc. Some prepositional phrases in order to with a view to due to going to. These items are used as connectors or linkers. So I have already told that all conjunctions are connectors, but all connectors are not conjunctions. Conjunctions are only conjunctions, but connectors include conjunctions, some adverbs, adverbials, some prepositions, and some prepositional phrases. We must have good command over those items. Our answers may vary, so feel easy and practice more and more. Problems and solutions. Let's practice. Mobile phone has become an essential gadget. Gadget means a device for everybody. Dash, it has become very popular. Dash, it has created a number of problems. It has dash advantages, dash disadvantages. Dash, it helps to connect people. Dash, it helps to exchange information. Dash, it can be used for various purposes. Dash, it has a few disadvantages. Dash can cause a lot of troubles. Dash, its advantages are more than its disadvantages. Going through the passage, we have to identify which items we can use in the gaps, and we have to think whether they are conjunctions or other items, adverb or adverbials, preposition or prepositional phrase. We have to find out. And we have to maintain meaning also. Question number A in the gap. Look at the gap please. Number A. Here mobile phone has become an essential gadget for everybody. One clause. Dash, it has become very popular. Another clause. To join these two clauses, we must need a conjunction. And we have to put here a conjunction. And we have similar relationship between two clauses. So we can use and here. B. Dash, it has created a number of problems. Just it's a sentence. So we need not use any conjunction here. We have to use a word at the very beginning of the sentence, and we find a subject here, that is it. So we need an adverb here. But here but is used an adverb because we find opposite meaning uh, uh, in comparison with the previous sentence or clauses. C. It has dash advantages, dash disadvantages. Think we find two kinds of options here. If we use both in the gap C, then we have to use and in the gap D. Okay, because both follows and. If we use not only, then in the gap D we have to use but also. They are used together. E, here we have used moreover because it helps to connect people, just it's a sentence. So we need an adverb here. And according to meaning, we can use moreover here. If same kind of expression can be found here, so we can use besides an adverb here. It helps to access information. G, uh, it can be used for various purposes. It's a sentence, so at the beginning we can use an adverb here. So we have used here thus. H, here also we need an adverb. According to meaning, we can use here but, however, it has a few disadvantages. Uh, uh, think of gap number I. Here we must use a conjunction because it has a few disadvantages. It's a clause, can cause a lot of troubles. It's a part of another clause. So we need a conjunction here to join two clauses. So what kind of conjunction can we use here? Think uh, in the gap I we need a subject. So according to the meaning of the object of previous sentence or clause, we need here they. But if we use they, it's a pronoun and we need a conjunction. So we need both conjunction and subject, and both conjunction and subject or both conjunction and object. Which word can be included? Relative pronoun. Think a relative pronoun can be used as both subject or object and conjunction. Here we can use, sorry, it's a mistake here, uh, that or which. Remember, not but or yet. Here that or which will be used. I repeat, in the gap I, that or which will be used. I regret the mistake. Please, to prepare presentation, in the gap J dash, its advantages are more than its disadvantages. Sorry to say, here we have to use but or yet. Its advantages are more than its disadvantages. Mistakenly, I and J are used mistakenly. Which or that will be used in the gap I, but or yet will be used in the gap J. Sorry for the mistake, but remember, in the gap I, which or that, in the gap J, but or yet. Okay, so once again I can go through the passage with Answer. Mobile phone has become an essential gadget for everybody and it has become very popular. But it has created a number of problems. It has not only advantages but also disadvantages. And also we can use here, it has both advantages and disadvantages. Moreover, it helps to connect people. Besides, it helps to exchange information. Thus, it can be used for various purposes. But however, it has a few disadvantages, which which or that which or that can cause a lot of troubles. But or yet, its disadvantages are more than its disadvantages. Answers may vary. Answers may vary. Thank you. Stay safe.